Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to remove a green screen in Pixlr. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch the quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Pixlr website right here, pixlr.com if you haven't already, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this home page right here, which is the main page of Pixlr where we can get started logging into your account. So the first thing you need to do is go into the upper right corner and log into your account or create a new one if you do not already have one. And after logging in, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, which is the main page where we can get started opening up the AI photo editor. So let's go ahead guys and open up our AI photo editor right here. And after clicking on it, it's going to open up this new page right here where we can get started with adding an image that we want to use. So let's go ahead and open up the image that we want to use right here. You can open it up from your PC. I already have it right here. And now let's say that this is an image with a green screen that we want to remove. It's going to work the same principle as any other image. So basically, if the green screen is right here, all we have to do to be able to remove it is go ahead and use this option right here, the left side screen. So in the toolbar of all the options, we want to find the cutout option. After finding the cutout option, go ahead and click on it. And now we can go ahead and get started with using the cutout. We are going to use AI cutout. So basically, after clicking on AI cutout, as you can see, it's going to remove the background that we have. And if you had a green screen behind you, you will no longer have the green screen, but only the object that was in front of it. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.